The self-proclaimed Vice President Constantino Chiwenga campaigner Malcolm Masarira has been arrested. It is emerged. Ndisabira mashikubuda pangwana chinzi VP Chiwenga Traore campaigner arrested. Don't bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timida muzimu ai muna ozera mudanyira chiti. Impeccable sources in the state security reviewed to Zimu ai that Masarira, popularly known on social media as Traore, has been apprehended. Traore, who is recognized for donning a VP Chiwenga t-shirt, was caught on Friday night, Zimu ai can review. He was arrested at a property in Mutare. Identities of state security personnel who arrested Masarira could not be ascertained at the time of writing. Masarira put attention of the state security when he accused the defense minister Opam Chinguri of supplying drugs. A close source suggested to Zimu ai that the details were not available at the time of writing on this developing story. Ndo nawiripo panguva ino awaye the arrest yaMalcolm Masarira anozikanwa kunzi he is a VP Constantino Chiwenga sympathizer. Tuzive mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi mhare Zimbabwe. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi there are mapower plays ari kuitika between the faction ye2030 nefaction ye-anti-2030 inotungamirwa naVP Constantino Chiwenga nemaWar veterans. Vinangome section medu mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.